20 of our 24 hours. And this is the very reason why people say instinctively, I don't have any time. Because when you share your business opportunity with them, they're thinking, in any traditional business that I ever know of, I have to put in time. And I already don't have much time. I'm stressed enough as it is. Is that right, guys? Yeah. So understand. So the fact is, that only leaves us with about 4 to 6 hours out of just these things of discretionary time. And I'm sure that all of you can think of other things that you need to do during the day. If you have children, there's a lot of other responsibilities. Is that right, guys?
Oh, yeah.
You might have, whatever faith that you practice, there might be those activities, right? So we have other things that we need to do, but that comes out of this time right here. Some of us may end the day with a time deficit. Is that right? You're stealing time from tomorrow. Okay? And at the end of the week, you're screwed up. Is that right, guys? But the fact is, if we want to succeed in anything, the difference between where we are today and where we'll be 5 years from now, I want you to think about this for just a second, really get to some thought. The difference between where we are right now, our lifestyle, the things we do, and the things what we want to accomplish 5 years from now, what we envision ourselves, what we dream of, the difference between where we are today and where we will be 5 years from now is in what we do.
Yeah. Woo!